So guys, recently I have unboxed this Renoir BT power cab on the channel and you guys loved it. And it's been quite a while since I'm using it as my primary speaker, so I thought let me share my experience with this product. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full review of this Renoir BT power cab Bluetooth speaker. So let's begin. So first of all guys, let's talk about this speaker with the design and the build quality. As you see over here, this is very huge first of all, and it weighs around 10 kilos, which is quite heavy in my opinion, but guys, this packs a punch. I will talk about the sound quality in the later part of the video, but let's talk about the build and design. As you see, it looks pretty fantastic. This whole body covers with a vinyl. It's a black vinyl and it is not reflective. I mean, it's kind of a matte design, but not completely matte. It has some textured and it look and feels pretty premium in my opinion. I mean, this speaker cost around 15,000 rupees, so it has to be look and feel like a premium speaker, and it does. The control center is on the top and the volume control, you know, the knob, it has very satisfying knob. Then we have a Bluetooth key to pair it, and then we have the power key as well as a LED and a 3.5mm auxiliary jack. The build is very amazing. It feels like a very premium product, but I feel that at some parts where the decals, the upper skin does not apply it properly, so Renoir, you have to take care of that thing because it was not properly applied, so it makes you feel like it is not a premium product. So yeah, overall design and build quality is just amazing. By the way, talking about the size, the width of this speaker is 50.8 centimeter. The height is 29.2 centimeter and the depth basically it's 25.4 centimeters. Renoir logo looks pretty classy too, so I prefer it to be right here. And after that, moving to the connectivity, as I have told you, it has an auxiliary port, 3.5mm normal auxiliary cable. You can put it and use it. And then we have the Bluetooth, and it supports aptX codecs, which is just amazing because aptX codecs allow you high quality sound without any delay. So that is very amazing. Talking about the sound quality, here I have to say guys, I am very impressed with it because it produces all the frequencies in a very balanced manner. Talking about the high frequencies, you know, those chen and ting sounds, or very high pitch sounds, those sounds pretty clear. I mean, they said that it has sparkling high, so I believe that, completely believe that. You know, the mids are usually comprises of vocals, and I have to say that the vocals are pretty pronounced too. You can definitely clear out the dialogue. I have a TV over here, I connect it to my TV and watch it with my TV, and definitely it's a very pleasurable experience watching TV shows and, you know, other content on this. Even though it's a dance speaker, but the vocals, the dialogues are very pronounced and very clear, so that's great. The main driver is 8-inch and it has a 1-inch tweeter, so the tweeter helps in highs, but when it comes to low ends, I have to say I'm super impressed. It produces very clear low end and the volume is very high. It can definitely fill the whole room without any doubt. If you have a very large dance studio, even after that it can definitely fill that dance studio properly because it is very loud. This is the audio test, that how this Renoir BT power cap sounds. By the way, I've just connected my smartphone with this and let's see how it sounds. By the way, I'm 4 feet away from the camera and the microphone is on the top of that camera, so yeah. So guys, right now the speaker's volume is on 100% and as you see it's on very low on the phone. So let's increase the volume. So yeah guys, I hope you get the idea that how it sounds. It is very loud first of all, and yeah, on 100% volume it does resolve, but the sound quality is just freaking amazing. I have to say it is very impressive speaker, especially if you consider that it's an Indian brand. So yeah, as an Indian brand, it has delivered a lot of values. By the way, it cost 15,000 rupees. So in that price range, I am sure that it is a very, very good speaker. I will leave the link in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out. And if I found some coupon code, then I will definitely leave them in the description too. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. By the way, guys, I am talking about the audio, so huge apologies from my side, because right now my studio is not properly treated in terms of the acoustics. I have to put some panels, acoustic panels, to make it less echoey. But yeah, those are things which are definitely done in the future, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like these. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.